What's up mga Katrangko? It's your boy JD nga naman. Baka nag-gamin another vlog. Tara, maglinis. Dahil yung vlog ko nga kahapon is yung bike check natin na sobrang dumi ng bike ko. Sorry subo ko. Baka kalahin nyo kalbo ko guys. Hindi, nakatali lang yan. Tara, samahan nyo ako maglinis.
Treat me right, baby, I gave you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again. But when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer.
Ayun guys, tatanggal. Ang una natin gagawin is siyempre tanggalin natin yung yung bomba, saddle bag. Yung speedometer ko, naman, tawag dito. Hindi na, pwede naman siya mabasa guys, kaya hindi ko na tatanggalin. Pwede naman natin tapos babasahin na sobra.
Across the water, you'll take my hand, I'll be waiting.
I watch the sea reflecting the sky. It reminds me how time goes by. I see your face in my fantasy. With you is where I wanna be. I'm feeling blue, but my heart's on fire. You are my desire. I'm standing here, nothing to lose.
Across the water, across the sand, I'll be waiting. Across the water, across the sand, I'll be waiting, waiting for a dance. Across the water, across the sand, I'll be waiting, waiting for a dance. I'll be waiting, waiting.
Tinanggal ko muna ang gulong.
I watch the sea reflecting the sky. It reminds me how time goes by. I see your face in my fantasy. With you is where I
Tara
wanna
guys,
be.
ano muna, time lapse na guys. Tara.
But my heart's on fire. You are my desire. I'm standing here, nothing to lose.
Across the water, across the sand, I'll be waiting, waiting for a dance. Across the water, across the sand, I'll be waiting.
Yun guys, tapos na ako maglinis. Ayan, gano'n lang. Ayan. Wheel set. Simula lang ako maglinis guys. Hindi ko na tinatanggal yung mga parts. Quick wash lang naman kasi ride lang. Para hindi lang masira yung mga Ayan. Ayan guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong.
On guys, salamat ulit sa panonood. Dito na tatapusin yung vlog natin dito sa Cervelo bike wash natin yun. Guys, salamat ulit sa panonood. Yan. Kinabit ko lang yung gulong. Yan. Tapos pinunasan ko rin para mapasok ko na dito sa loob. Yun. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yun, comment na kayo guys kung gusto nyo pa shout.